Well, there it is. Finally got it all back together. There's the whole scene. Now we're here for the mantle, and you should see how shiny this thing is. Look at the shine coming off of that. Smooth as glass. Got all that paint off of it. Got it all put back together. Sanded, put back together. Looking good, looking good. So this is now the end of my mantle redo, or my fireplace redo. That's what it is, fireplace. Look at that shine, just like glass, baby. When I was sanding that, I sanded the whole thing with a 220 grit sandpaper. I still haven't found anything for that middle part yet, but I will. So now we're going to a closet, and I will show you where I start when I start it.